Quite often we hear the phrase, "it's a man's world." But is it really? There are women who continue to break that stereotype and prove themselves capable in any field. Women have been shattering glass ceilings and doing jobs that are male-dominated. Kanidra Gardner is one such person who has made a name for herself in the field of auto mechanics. Even with her well-manicured nails, she's not afraid to get her hands dirty and get the job done. This story begins early in life.
So when I was younger, or from baby stage, my father is a mechanic. So being around him, growing up in the garage, he might tell me, pass this, give me pass 110 spanner, give me this, that. You know, when he might go buy parts in camera with him. So watching him work and everything was like really it was a bonding moment, but also it was a learning moment for me as well, because that's where I got all my knowledge from.
But that was only a part of it, as Kanidra set her mind to pursue what she was passionate about.
And then when I was in primary school, they were saying that they wanted me to be a nurse. I don't want to be a nurse. No, I don't want to be a nurse. I want to be a mechanic. So when they used to dress me up in nurse outfit, go school, when I reach at school, I get one little piece of cardboard and one little piece of cartridge paper, cut it out and put mechanic and stick it, like staple it. Yeah, I used to have a grade 1 teacher, her name is Miss Hill. Anything I want to do, she made me do it. So she used to make me write the mechanic on it and she staple it for my uniform and we take a picture and yeah, I'm a mechanic in a nurse outfit.
Though she's one of a relatively small number of females in a male-dominated career, Kanidra refuses to buckle under societal pressures.
Being in a male-dominated career, it is very challenging because a lot of men, you know, when they see a woman in the mechanic shop, they're like, no, this woman work for my car. They don't want it, but at the end of the day, sometimes we as females might know a little bit more than the average mechanic, or because we go to school for it, but if you put your mind to it, yeah, them can't say anything.
When asked, if not mechanic, what other career option would you choose? This was what she had to say.
That's a very tricky question. If it was not mechanics, maybe my mother would have her way and would have become a nurse. Or, I don't know, I don't see myself in no other career section or anything. If I'm a mechanic, then I really don't know what else it's going to be.
Her motivation is just knowing that better days are ahead. As with any other career, getting ahead in the auto mechanics field is a continuous learning process. With sound advice from her father to be open to learning something new every day, Kanidra urges others to do the same.
Don't be stuck up and saying, I know everything and I don't need nobody to tell me nothing. No, that's not how it works. You have to be open to learning from other people who has been there, who has gone through worse in the mechanics field.
With all the challenges she's faced being one of a few women in a field dominated by men, the 5'3" mechanic is moving forward with the support of her father, who has been with her every step of the way.
I can't say I've overcome it, but I work with my father, as everybody knows, and he has the strength. So with things like what me can't pull, sometimes he will help me and him say, alright, I'm not helping no further. So I just crack it a little bit and then I take it from there. So
while she continues her journey of doing what she loves, she has this to say.
To a female who wants to enter the mechanical aspect, the only thing I can tell you is hold up your head. Believe in yourself. Do it for you, not for others. But make sure you're learning and you're not mash up nobody's vehicle. Yeah.